All right, I think we're live here. Let's see. Yeah, are we on yet? Hell, what the hell's that on my eyes? What hell? I got your glasses on. What the hell?
They look lovely.
Oh, there you are. Hey, I'm Tom. This is Kelly.
Hello.
And this little fella right here.
It's Taz.
It's Taz.
And that's why we
And
call
now
him
you know
Taz.
why we call him Taz. And we're about to start on our adventure. We're retiring here shortly. And we're going to be getting on the road and finding new adventures. And we hope you'll join us in that. If you like our videos, give us a comment, tell us what you like. If you don't like it, get the hell out of here. I don't want to hear from you. No, seriously. But yeah, we're gonna try and post some videos here about how we're getting started and what we have to do to get on the road and everything. So hopefully you like what you see, and if not, well, get the hell out of here. But no, that's us in a nutshell. Tom and Kelly, and we're manifesting our destinies. We'll see you later. I'm gonna poke